Hello students, welcome back to learning. In this video we are going to discuss Bihari Ji ke dohe. Starting 3 doha couplets we have discussed in previous video. Today I will discuss 3 more. So let's begin. अति आगाधो अति औथरो नदी कूप मरुबाए सो ताको सागर जहाँ जाको प्यास बुझाए. So in this couplet or doha, what Bihari ji is trying to say, Ati agadhu. Ati means more, extreme. Agadhu means deep. Ati outhro. Outhro means shallow, which is not deep. Nadi, river, koop, well. Sarubai, sarovar means talab, pond. Okay, so how much it is deep, how much is it shallow, whether it's a river, pond, well, whatever. So tako sagaru, so tako sagaru, that is sea or ocean for them. Jako pyas bujhai, with whom or by whom they can quench their thirst. So the thing is that here they are telling it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter whether it is a sea, whether it is a well, whether it is a river or a small pond. So the person who is able to fulfill their demand, fulfill their what you can say desire, they are happy. It doesn't matter it is a well. If they are getting water from the well and it quenching its thirst, fine, that well is only sea for them. They are getting water, they are quenching their thirst, they are fulfilling the daily needs of something from a river or other water bodies. That is only sea for them. It is not necessary. The thing is that with whom they are getting, they are able to complete their work. That is only whole for them, whole world for them. Whether it is small or big. Let's discuss in Hindi. अति अगाध में बिहारी जी कहते चाहे वो कितना भी गहरा हो, अति औथ्र माने कितना भी उथला हो, माने डीप ना हो, गहरा ना हो. नदी कूप सरुबाई, चाहे वो नदी हो, कूप कुआं हो, सरु में सरोवर, तालाब हो, कुछ भी हो. सो ताकू सागर, उसके लिए वही सागर है. सो ताकू सागर में सागर माने समुद्र, जाके प्यास बुझा, जो उसकी प्यास बुझा देता है वही उनके लिए सागर के समान है. या अनुरागी चित्त की गति समझे नहीं कोई, ज्यों ज्यों बूढ़ो श्याम रंग त्यों तो उज्जवल उज्जवल होई. सो बिहारी जी इज टेलिंग या अनुरागी. अनुरागी माने which is unpredictable, which is very active, which can't be at one place. Chit means our mind, a speed of mind nobody can determine. Okay, it is very very hyperactive. Its speed is more than the light. Gati samujhe na koi, nobody can predict its speed, its what you can say location. So the place or the thing in which it will involve, nobody knows it. Unpredictable, mind is unpredictable. Jo jo bure samran, as soon as it involves in the devotion of Lord Krishna or God, tyoto ujjal hoye, that much it become that much is become addict of it. Means the person, how much they involve themselves in the devotion of Krishna, devotion of God, or you can say chanting of God, that much they keep on involving. Okay, so Bodhat means that much they will be dedicated. It means we have to involve, we have to think about the God automatically. There is a power, there is attraction, there is a what you can say, something like which attract everybody. This is the power of God. This is the what you can say, power in devotion. So as we start involving, as we start devoting our God, that much we keep on involving, and then our target only will be to get the moksha, to get the darshanam, to get the what you can say, blessing of God. Always think about the God only. We leave whatever illusion, whatever maya we have about the world, we forget about it. लेट डिस्कस इन हिंदी। या अनुरागी चित्त माने मन, इस मन की गति के बारे में, इस मन के विषय के बारे में कोई नहीं सोच सकता। धरती समझे नहीं कोई, समझे माने कोई भी समझ नहीं सकता। ज्यो जो बूढ़े श्याम रंग त्यों तो उज्जवल होए, मीन्स जैसे जैसे ये श्याम रंग माने भगवान की भक्ति में, भगवान के रंग में जैसे जैसे चढ़ता जाता है, जैसे इंसान भगवान की भक्ति में डूबता जाता है, वैसे वैसे वो इस माया मोह से, संसार से मुक्त होता चला जाता है और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा ईश्वर की भक्ति में अपना समय बिताना चाहता है और अपने आसपास जो माया मोह है उसको सबको भूल जाता है। बढ़त बढ़त संपत्ति सलीलो, मन सरोज बढ़ी जाए, घटत घटत फिर न घटे, बर समूल को मिला है। बिहारी जी इज टेलिंग बढ़त बढ़त संपत्ति, as soon as the property or our money will increase, people will get more and more wealth, that much more they become greedy. They think we should get more. Their greed never ends. manu saroj bade nai, like our greed, our what you can say, to get something more and more. So if we keep on like the greed will increase, like lotus leaf petals will increase, no, one by one they grow. Same manner our greeds will be increasing in the same manner. Ghatat ghatat fir na ghate, they never reduces. It's the nature of human, their desire never ends. But samul mane along with the root, but when it starts reducing, whenever their property, when their wealth, whenever their money they it spends, it reduces, that much they become very weak, very dull, and at the last, because of money only, sometimes they lost their life. Mean, you can say, like a lotus flower, if it what you can say, completely wilt, it dries off. Same manner, because of lack of money, because of spending of money, because of reduction of money, person lost their hope and it becomes equal to death also, sometimes die as well. बढ़त बढ़त संपत्ति सलिल, बिहारी जी कहते हैं कि संपत्ति जैसे जैसे बढ़ती जाती है, इंसान के पास पैसा जैसे जैसे बढ़ते जाता है, वैसे वैसे उसके मन की इच्छाएं भी बढ़ती जाती, मन रूपी कमल की इच्छाएं बढ़ती जाती हैं, और वो चाहता है कि मुझे और मिले, उनका कभी अंत नहीं होता। घटत घटत फिर ना घटे, और वो जो मन की इच्छा होती है कभी नहीं घटती, और अगर जो उनका पैसा है वो घटना शुरू हो जाए तो उनका जो मन है, उनका जो इंसान है वो कुमला जाता है और बिल्कुल अंत के कगार पर, मौत के कगार पर आ जाता है, बीमार हो जाता है। जैसे उसकी कमाई हुई धनराशि खर्च होती है या कोई ले लेता है, तो पूरी तरीके से इंसान मन से, दिल से मुरझा जाता है, नष्ट हो जाता है, मतलब कभी कभी तो मृत्यु तक की नौबत आ जाती है। इतना उसको उससे लगाव होता है, जैसे कि कमल मुरझा जाता है, उस तरीके से इंसान भी पूरी तरीके से ख़त्म हो जाता है, यू कैन से। सो नाउ लास्ट 2 couplets are left. We'll discuss in the next class. Thank you. Take care. Have a nice day.